In this video, we'll review the steps to use the Resectr tissue resection device. For more detailed information, please refer to the Resectr instructions for use. The Resectr tissue resection devices are handheld and hand-manipulated surgical instruments to dissect, resect, and remove tissue. Resectr devices come in both a 9 French and 5 French outer diameter and may be used through the working channel of an appropriately sized hysteroscope as a hysteroscopic accessory. Resectr devices are compatible with your existing gynecological surgery instrumentation, including a wide variety of hysteroscopes, visualization systems, fluid delivery, and aspiration methods. Both the 9 French and 5 French Resectr devices consist of a resecting window at the distal tip of the device, a handle at the proximal end of the device, an outflow port next to the handle, and a rotating cannula collar at the proximal end of the cannula. To use either the 9 French or 5 French Resectr tissue resection devices, remove the device from the sterile packaging. Grip the front handle with the index finger high on the front handle and test squeeze 1 to 2 times to verify movement of the oscillating blades. Rotate the cannula collar so that the oscillating blades close the resecting window. Or, in other words, make sure the window is closed before inserting the device into the hysteroscope. Connect vacuum suction tubing to the outflow port of the Resectr device. Insert the hysteroscope into the patient according to current best practices and visualize the target tissue. Insert the Resectr device into the operative channel of the hysteroscope. Under direct visualization, position the resecting window on the target tissue. Note, the resecting window can be positioned using either the rotating cannula collar with the thumb and index finger or by rotating the device. By squeezing the top of the front handle with the index finger, the resecting blades will engage with the target tissue. The oscillating blades rotate 3 times clockwise and 3 times counterclockwise with each squeeze and release of the handle. Thus, each squeeze and release results in 6 blade contacts on the target tissue. The speed and actuation of the device are controlled by the individual physician. Aspiration can also be restricted by closing the resecting window with the rotating cannula collar or releasing the device handle. When the procedure is complete, remove the Resectr device from the working channel of the hysteroscope, disconnect the vacuum tubing, and dispose of the entire device according to facility policies and procedures for biohazardous materials and sharps waste. By combining manual control, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness in one tool, you are able to see and treat patients in a variety of settings for both comfort and convenience. To learn more about Resectr tissue resection devices or our growing gynecology portfolio, please visit www.bostonscientific.com or talk with your Boston Scientific sales representative. Thank you for choosing the Resectr tissue resection device.